Cancer. Just hearing the word can feel overwhelming. And unfortunately, it has become one of the most widespread and deadly diseases of our time, impacting millions of people across the globe every single year. Traditional treatments like chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery are often the first line of defense. But these methods can come with intense side effects. Why? Because these treatments kill both cancerous and healthy cells. That's why patients going through chemotherapy often lose their hair, suffer from nausea, or develop gut issues. The treatment attacks the rapidly dividing cells in the body, good and bad. But what if there was a different way? A smarter way that didn't rely on harsh chemicals, endless medications, or trendy supplements? Dr. Jason Fung, a Canadian nephrologist and leading voice in nutrition-based healing, believes that there is another way. He reveals 6 powerful, natural dietary strategies that can help starve cancer, melt away stubborn fat, and enhance your body's ability to heal, all without pills, powders, or gimmicks. These approaches flip traditional nutrition on its head, and most importantly, they're backed by science, not hype. Before we dive into the food hacks, let's talk about something critical: the connection between diet and cancer. The food-cancer connection. While genetics certainly plays a role in cancer risk, mounting research show that lifestyle, especially what we eat, may have an even greater influence. Highly processed foods, excess sugar, and refined carbs create a perfect storm for cancer to thrive. On the other hand, whole, nutrient-rich foods can protect your body, strengthen your immune system, and even reverse early damage at the cellular level. And one strategy that's gaining serious traction is intermittent fasting. It's not a diet. It's a timing pattern for eating. It helps the body switch from constantly storing fat to actually burning it. And that's not all. Intermittent fasting activates a powerful healing mechanism in the body known as autophagy, a natural process where damaged cells and harmful components are broken down and recycled. Dr. Fung explains it simply. If your body has too much fuel stored as fat, you can stop putting more in and let it use what's already there. Fasting also lowers insulin levels, which is key because high insulin is strongly linked to cancer cell growth. With lower insulin, your body can enter a state of ketosis, burning fat for fuel. The exciting part? Cancer cells can't use ketones the way healthy cells can, so they begin to weaken, while your healthy cells thrive. Now let's look at 6 of the most powerful science-backed foods and habits that Dr. Jason Fung recommends to fight cancer, support weight loss, and heal your body. 1. Non-root, above-ground vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, spinach, and other leafy greens are low in calories but high in cancer-fighting compounds. One standout nutrient found in these vegetables is sulforaphane, a natural compound that's been shown to detoxify carcinogens, block the growth of cancer cells, activate protective enzymes in the liver, neutralize free radicals that cause DNA damage. These vegetables are also loaded with fiber, which helps move waste and potential toxins out of the digestive system, reducing the risk of colon and other cancers. Eat them raw in salads, steam them aside, or add them to soups. They'll fill you up without adding unnecessary calories and support your immune system at the same time. 2. Berries, antioxidant powerhouses. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious, they're packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, reduce chronic inflammation, inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. Studies show that regular berry consumption may help prevent cancers of the breast, colon, liver, and more. They also provide vitamin C, which boosts immune strength and supports collagen production for healthy tissues. You can enjoy berries fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies. Just avoid sugary toppings or syrups that cancel out the benefits. Note: this content is informational and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider regarding medical concerns. 3. Olive oil, nature's metabolic elixir. For years, fat was demonized. But science now confirms that healthy fats, like those found in olive oil, are essential, especially for older adults. Dr. Fung highlights extra virgin olive oil as a key player in the traditional Mediterranean diet, where people historically experienced low rates of cancer, obesity, and diabetes. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that stabilize blood sugar, lower insulin levels, support anti-inflammatory pathways. Unlike harmful seed oils like canola or soybean, olive oil is minimally processed and doesn't damage cells. When used in cooking or dressings, it supports your body's ability to burn fat and deprives cancer cells of the fuel they need. 4. Avocados, healthy fat with healing power. Once wrongly feared for their fat content, avocados are now recognized as metabolically smart superfoods. They are packed with monounsaturated fats that keep insulin low, glutathione, a powerful antioxidant for detoxification, vitamins D and E, which protect cells from damage. By keeping insulin levels steady, avocados help prevent cancer-promoting spikes in blood sugar. They also support fat burning and provide essential nutrients that nourish the skin, brain, and immune system. Add them to salads, toast, or eat them by the spoonful. 5. Green tea, cancer's natural opponent. Green tea is more than a calming drink. It's loaded with polyphenols, including a unique one called EGCG, which research shows can slow tumor growth, prevent new blood vessels from feeding cancer, support healthy cell function. Green tea also helps regulate blood sugar and lower insulin, two major factors in cancer development. Aim for 2 to 4 cups per day, unsweetened and without milk, for best results. 6. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty nuts. Like almonds, walnuts, and seeds, such as flax and chia, are dense with nutrients. They offer healthy fats that lower inflammation, fiber to eliminate toxins and balance hormones, vitamin E and selenium to neutralize free radicals, omega-3s to fight chronic inflammation and cancer progression. Flax seeds, in particular, are excellent for hormone balance and cancer prevention in the breast and prostate. Snack on a handful of nuts, or sprinkle chia seeds into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Put it all together. When you combine intermittent fasting with these cancer-fighting foods, you give your body a real fighting chance. You promote autophagy, lower insulin, reduce inflammation, and starve cancer cells of the resources they need to grow. No single food or strategy can guarantee cancer prevention, but these science-supported changes can dramatically lower your risk and support healing from within. So, load up your plate with broccoli and berries, sip green tea, embrace healthy fats like olive oil and avocado, and let your body tap into its natural wisdom through fasting and real food. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Elders Health Essentials for more health-boosting tips. And don't forget to check the description for links to our anti-inflammation smoothie guide and free health newsletter, packed with recipes, expert advice, and support to help you live longer, stronger, and better. Stay vibrant, stay informed, and see you in the next video.